Which Salem is right for you? Let's find out. But first, let's check out some incredible features. Check out the upgraded designer furniture, including the Versa Lounge, aptly named as it can convert between a full-size sofa or a large dinette. Top-notch design that also includes up to 20 cubic feet of stow-and-go storage. For Salem's, if it has a large living area slide out, it has a Versa Lounge. Within the slide out, there is something missing: carpet. Yes, every Salem has vinyl flooring in their slide outs, which is so much easier to keep clean. The main slide out also has the extra large panoramic window package with cloth roller shades. So when you don't want to run the 13.5K BTU AC, which is upgradable to 15K, you can create a dynamic cross breeze with the 48 by 12 inch kitchen window. To take the chill out of the air on cold evenings, you'll enjoy a 30-inch built-in electric fireplace with a mirror front that's found on most Salem models. In the Salem kitchen, you'll find a microwave, a 3-burner cooktop, a designer backsplash, a seamless countertop with an undermount stainless steel sink with stainless steel roll-up sink cover / drying rack, and residential high-rise faucet. The fridge is also an impressive 11 cubic foot frost-free double-door glass fridge. In the bathroom, you'll find a shower with surround as well as a skylight, and most Salem models will come with the Arcadia series soft shower door. As for the Salem bedroom, you'll find a custom king bed with an evergreen mattress, designated CPAP storage. You'll also find outlets as well as tablet-compatible USB ports. For bunkhouse models with flip-up bunks, you get a chalkboard on the bottom for the kids to create a masterpiece all of their own. When it comes to entertainment, every Salem is totally ready. The entertainment center has a 2-zone residential soundbar with FM, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB capability, plus some ambient lighting in the form of an LED strip. Outside, you'll get a pair of speakers along with the cable / antenna hookup, plus the King OmniGo HD television antenna, prepped for King Wi-Fi extender, King LTE cell booster, and King satellite antennas. Also outside are the very convenient MORryde step above triple entry steps, and you can enjoy some music under the power awning with adjustable legs. You can keep your camp chairs in the pass-through storage and easily access them via the large 30 by 20 inch entry side baggage door. FYI, that baggage door has dry erase board capability. You'll also be happy to know that Salem's come with a heated and enclosed underbelly with accessibility removable panels. Salem's are easy to set up thanks to the power tongue jack and quick drop stabilizer jacks. There's the convenient black tank flush, and the slide outs are prepped to have a slide out topper. Another common option you'll find on the Salem is to get the Platinum package, which gives you a fiberglass exterior. When it comes to construction, all Salem models have a cambered chassis with a powder-coated I-beam frame. The walls have 2-inch construction with no more than 16 inches on center. A Salem with a slide out will have that slide constructed with a triple seal as well as a 13-ply cross micro-laminated beam header. On the front, you'll get an aerodynamic front radius profile with a smooth aluminum front cap, and the roof is made with a one-piece super flex membrane that comes with a 15-year manufacturer defect warranty. There are a wide variety of Salem floor plans, and as such, a wide variety of weights from 6,000 to over 9,000 pounds. Make sure you go to rv.campingworld.com/tow guide and run your tow vehicle through our towing guide to find out your towing capacity. Salem models are mainly family focused, but let's take a quick look at some designed for the camping couple. The 26 RBS has a rear bath complete with wardrobe and linen closets. There's a large slide out to maximize space in the living area and an angled entertainment center. You'll also get an exterior camp kitchen, and the 26 RBS can sleep up to 4. The 27 RK is great for those who love to cook. The kitchen covers the entire rear wall and has a ton of counter space along the campside. You'll get a full-length pantry, an oversized fridge, and a pair of recliners face the Versa Lounge, ideal for camp conversation. The Salem 27 RK can also sleep up to 4. For the family, you have a lot of floor plan options. Let's highlight a few. The popular 26 D-Bud can handle 9 people overnight. You'll find double-over-double bunks, a large slide-out with the amazing Versa Lounge, angled entertainment center with fireplace, and a pair of pantries, one being a walk-in. You'll also get an outdoor kitchen. The 29 V-Bud sleep capacity is 9, and there's Versa everywhere. A Versa bunk, Versa queen, and a Versa lounge. You'll also find a walk-in pantry, angled entertainment center with a fireplace, and an outdoor kitchen. The Salem 31 KQ BTS is 37 feet of bunkhouse. You'll get an impressive private bunk room with opposing slide outs and its own entertainment center plus closet space. The living area has a huge slide out housing the Versa Lounge, which sits next to the main entertainment center, complete with fireplace. The 31 KQ BTS can sleep up to 9. While we covered a few select floor plans today, you can find many more plus price and nearest availability at rv.campingworld.com.